Get out the way. Get out the way. I'm coming right for you. Get out the way.
Evening everybody, and welcome to my channel. Another Fast and Furious issue 58 to do tonight. So if you enjoy watching this, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. So without further ado, let's crack on. Okay, as usual, we'll go through the magazine first. Yep, the weather's changed, a little bit cooler today. Okay, so here we are, we're going to do the radiator 2. So we're going to put all this radiator together. Hopefully I've got that done right. Then we're going to get the car down, take the horn off and fit the radiator in, connect some pipes up and connect some more pipes up, put that on and then connect some more pipes up. Now these pipes, then we'll put the horn back on, so these pipes might be awkward, so I'll probably connect them up and then show you them done. So they're the parts. We'll get them opened and we'll crack on. Okay, we'll get this part, we'll get this, and that lines up with these screw holes like that. We'll get some CP screws and we'll screw them in. So I will get that done and show you in a minute. Okay, we're getting the last screw in. Let's hope I don't have to strip all this out again, because this is where we'll find out if everything is right. If I've put that too short or too long. Well, I've got to get, where's my string tweezers? That out. And that out. Forget. Forget this is here. We're just going to push this down. Between black and black, you gotta see. So the idea is to get that in there, that across there, into there, and that in there. Getting that into that hole. You've got that in, right? And then, as looks of it, this is where I've got to hope I'm getting this long enough. So get that in there. Traffic not settled. Right. Well, it looks like I've got it long enough. So that goes like that. So that's that. Okay. Well, now, so we want to get these two. Now, like, they are D-shaped. And one's got to go on this side, like so, and the other one on that side, like so. I'm going to push it a bit more. A bit more. That was a bit right down, that was. So that looks like that. Right. Okay, what it's telling us now, I've got to get the car down. So I'll put that out of here. Get these screws out of here. I'm going to need some CP screws, so I'll get these screws out of the way and I'll get the cord out and I'll be back in a tick. So it says to take the horn out, which just, I believe, just pulls out. If I can get out of it. Yep, that's the horn out. Gonna get that. So that's out the way. And that's going to fit on here. We had over 3 screws with cord swords. I presume it's the screws at the back. Yep. Right, I've now got to get the core on its upside down or on its side, try and get them screws in. So I'm going to put the core on its side, get them in, and then come back. Okay, that's that in. Now we're now going to get this. Doesn't say which way it goes, all it just says it goes down there, pivots into there. Fits onto that lead out with 2 KP screws. Okay, well, when I got that on, I bring that blue pipe around and fit it onto there. Now I didn't get the yellow pipe, so I had to make my own pipe for there. Look, he had some spare pipes, so that's why that one's black. Somehow they didn't give us there was a pipe missing. So I'm presuming they're going to line up. They don't look as though they are, but no, they look as though they are. Alright, 2 KP screws, and find my screwdriver, which I dropped on the floor. Okay, I'll go back in. And there's a second KP going in now. Tighten that one up. Tighten that one up. Okay. I need to fit these. There's a one on the top here. And there's a one on the bottom. So see if I can have a look at the top one first and hope it doesn't fall off. So see this blue stripe. So this one, it looks like it's down in there somewhere. Juice out. Let's see where it goes. This, that one goes in there. You can't get this end in first. It's got to be this end in first. It's the only way you can do it. And that in there. That's that pipe. Now the other pipe is underneath. So it looks like I'm going to get the cutter upside down. So get the pipe out, get me mat, put that down there, flip the car over, which I hate doing. Alright, get me pipe. Trouble is I can't see where it goes on the engine because I can't see under there. I'm going to have to switch it around. You're not going to see it. So I'll get it on and then I'll come back and show you. Okay, that's that pipe on under there. Oh, flip the car back over. That's all that pipe work done. So that's that done. I've just got to put the horn back on, wherever it is. There. So I'll get the horn back on and then that'll be it. So I'll say thank you for watching. I think there's only a couple of more, then the engine's finished, and we're done with the engine. I don't know where this wire and all that's going to go, but somewhere. So I'll get this horn back on and we'll catch you on the next build. So bye for now.